Hi, you guys, it's Miss Sanderland. I'm going to talk to you about your assignment for this unit. So if you are in the main page for your class and you go to Unit 2, Lesson 6, Day 3, and in your assignment folder, you'll see your research assignment. Just click on that to open it. So for your scientific research assignment, you already are familiar with this organizer. We did it in class together, and if you were online that day, you watched the video. So what I'm going to have you do this time is, instead of Googling things about hot sauce and coming up with that scientific question as a whole class and with a teacher, you're going to come up with your own scientific question and your own research based on the effect of social media on your little brains. So what I want you to do is, just like in class last week, come up with your scientific question, remember all the things we learned about, and make sure you highlight your independent and your dependent variables in your scientific question so that I know that they're there and so you know that they're there. And I'm going to have you brainstorm just like the last time. Look for synonyms, Google those things, and organize your research. And then we're going to relate it right back to hypothesis testing, and you're going to create your own hypothesis that's going to help you answer your scientific research question. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can email me, you can ask me in class. We're going to work on it on Monday, or you can message me on Schoology. Good luck.